I of course openly say you cannot, some of our fellow citizens are suggesting that you vote on a clause by clause, 78, I don't know how many clauses, as if we have not had a referendum in this country before. So always practice, general practice is what has to happen. So you have to vote yes or no on the whole document, so that we do not again complicate matters for our citizens. So we are set. As I said, this ship has literally left the harbor, and we want Kenyans to know the moment for change is here. It goes beyond, I keep on repeating, this referendum is not about individuals. In fact, BBI has left the hands of President Uhuru Kenyatta and the former Prime Minister Raila. And therefore it's not a contest between any Kenyan. This is a document for the Kenyan people. Mama Wanjiku, Mama Boga, Kijana Boda Boda, so that we do not end up having an economy and celebrating depravity. I've never seen a country that celebrates depravity. I'll give you a joke. Once upon a time, my good brother William Samuel Arap Ruto laughed at me loudly. In fact, he was in Machakos, in Mawoni. He said, the last time I saw Kalonzo, former vice president, he was sitting on the tarmac. And indeed it was true, because I even left my wiper cap on the floor outside the anniversary towers, where we were being tear gassed because we wanted change. We wanted a culture of stolen elections to be over. And we wanted that time the CEO of IEBC to go home. Indeed, he did go home. Many, many months later, the same friend, William Samuel Arap Ruto, is seen being wheeled around in a wheelbarrow. I wonder which is better, which is more honorable, sitting on the tarmac for a cause, or wanting to perpetuate a culture of depravity by having a whole vice president, deputy president, celebrating a wheelbarrow economy. That's where we are running from, so that those mamambogas will have beautiful sheds. And so this is it. It's going to be an exciting time. I know the Kenyans have been waiting for me to speak. I'm going to speak, and I'm going to campaign everywhere for this change.